The fifth rule of surd is C over A plus B square root n to be multiplied by, you multiply the top and the bottom by A minus B square root n and A minus B square root n. So it's like you rationalizing the denominator, that is, you multiply. The only thing that changes is the sign. This is a plus sign. The plus sign changes to the minus sign. So with that, you multiply the top and the bottom. Okay, so you rationalize the denominator. So let us quickly see an example of using this rule. So now solve 3 over 2 plus square root 2, alright, which is equal 3 over 2 plus square root 2, alright, to be multiplied by 2 minus square root 2, okay, then the denominator as well to be multiplied by 2 minus square root 2, alright. So now for the numerator, we open the bracket, so we have 3 times 2, which will give us 6, then 3 times minus square root 2, which will give us minus 3 square root 2, alright. Then for the denominator, we use the idea of difference of two squares, okay, and that is 2 square minus bracket the square root square. Okay, good. So this is the idea of the difference of two square. So now we have the numerator 6 minus 3 square root 2, then at the denominator the square of 2 is 4 and the square of square root 2 is 2. Okay, we simplify further, so we have 6 minus 3 square root 2 over 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so we can't simplify any further. Alright.
For other interesting videos, click any of these and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I don't really know